On that note, let's now take a look at Mkendlana, where she was talking to the Deputy Mayor of the Nelson Mandela Bay, Babalwa Lobisha, in the early hours of this morning. Let's have a look on what are those developments.
Thank you so much in studio. We're at Kwadwesi at Mkendlana Street at one of the voting stations here in Gqeberha. As we just arrived, it seems like a few people were left to vote as the voting stations opened at 7 a.m. rather, and most people arrived at that time to hit the morning rush. We are now joined by the Executive Deputy Mayor, Babalwa Lobisha, to tell us more about what they're expecting from this election. Babalwa, thank you so much for joining us. Which party would you like to go into collision with if it happens that you get below 50%?
Thank you, Msasas. We're not anticipating to be joining forces with any party because we are highly confident as the African National Congress that we are going to get the 50+1 that we need. And we think that everything has been going smooth so far in terms of the voting stations. People must just go out and vote.
With the complaints that and everything that has been happening around the Eastern Cape, do you think, or do you have the confidence that you will become victorious?
We are confident that we are going to become victorious because even with that protest that was happening in Mthatha, it has been resolved amicably, and even the ones that we saw yesterday and earlier today, everything is going well. The reception is fine from the people, and they feel that they must allow everyone to exercise their vote.
Thank you so much, Ms. Lobisha. That was Babalwa Lobisha telling us more and telling us how confident they are that they will come out victorious in these elections. Back to you in studio.